Sehana Magic Art.
Today we are going to draw a beautiful truck. I will draw complete in front of you step by step. So watch till end. First of all, I'm drawing its outline. Our truck is soon going to be ready, so watch till end. I'm using a black marker here to draw its parts, its wheels. Front part. Now I have started coloring the wheels. Our drawing part is ready, so now I choose the white paint to color its big part. Now I am coloring brown color in the tick.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Red color in the front.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child.
Blue color in the window.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow.
Blue color in the lower part.
The nurse takes the cow, the cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy.
Yellow and green at the end.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes
Our truck is ready and now we are going to glitter it.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat.
Please like the video if you liked it.